If you're trying to change your billing country in LinkedIn but can't figure it out, you're not alone. Whether you're relocating, updating your company's details, or just need to switch currencies, LinkedIn's billing system can be a little tricky. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your billing country quickly and hassle-free. Stay tuned till the end for some extra tips to avoid common mistakes. Let's dive in. To change the billing country in LinkedIn, open your account, click on Me, and select Access My Premium. On the Open page, click on Manage Subscription and select Manage Payment Methods. A pop-up window will open, and you can select a new country in this box. You can pick any of the defined methods like PayPal, ACH, check, Visa, etc. And you can select a new country in this box as well. You will need a LinkedIn Premium account if you want to search for other users without limitations to grow your network if you want to send a lot of emails. Now you need to have access to this feature to contact people who are not in your connections network. Sending emails is one of the best ways you have to expand your network and present and advertise your business. And guess what? It also is a no-pressure item since the recipient has no obligation to accept that invitation. You also need to subscribe on LinkedIn if you want to use the stats features like seeing the people who viewed your profile. You know that you can find some great lead generators among these users, right? This section shows you the people who viewed your profile in the last 90 days. This number is limited to the last 5 people in free accounts. The subscription also lets you have an open profile, which lets users outside your network be able to find and message you. And last but not least is LinkedIn Learning. Ever wanted to pass some of those courses LinkedIn offers? Well, you need a premium account to do this. You have a free trial month. But what then? Do you want to continue that course and get notified of the updates? What you need is a premium account. And if you want to ever live in another country, you need to know how to change the billing country on LinkedIn. Now you know exactly how to change your billing country in LinkedIn without any confusion. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more LinkedIn and marketing tips. And if you have any questions or ran into any issue, drop a comment below.